Hello everyone, we are going to discuss today the two important diseases. One is the amoebiasis and another is fungal disease ringworm. These are very common diseases prevailing in and these are included in your syllabus. So amoebiasis, as the name indicates, the causal organism pathogen is Amoeba histolytica. Is the causal agent? It's a protozoa. It's generally accumulates and grow in large intestine area. Mode of transmission, it comes in the body through flies as the eggs releases outside of the female body, the Entamoeba histolytica, contaminating the flies as well as soil, food, any eatables, water, fecal matter present in the soil. Through long nails, the soil may enter through any way. If you play ball or football or cricket ball, then may enter in your finger and comes inside the body and then occupy the large intestine where it's grows generally. Okay. So in chapter 8 for standard 12, you are observing here. The symptoms is constipations, there is a problem in digestion, abdominal cramp, abdomens feel pain, there is a pain, stomachache like cramp type of feeling, लगेगा कि कोई चीज़ उसमें मरोड़ रहा है पेट के अंदर, है ना, कुछ खींच रहा है उसमें. So constipation, abdominal cramp, a stool with mucus and blood clots. When the persons suffering from amoebiasis discharge their fecal matter, they discharge some blood too, blood clots as well as mucus. Like there is a wound inside the alimentary canal and some mucus, bloods and some tissues are coming out. Okay? So such type of fecal discharge will be there. There is no vaccine yet prepared for this Entamoeba histolytica. It is controlled by proper hygienic conditions. Sewage system will be proper covered or there is a proper drainage system. Avoid soil contact. मिट्टी से आप दूर रहें जितना. Foment borne. The person who are infected with this disease, try to avoid them. Keep their articles, their clothes, handkerchiefs, etc., their beds. Don't share there. So cloths and to the infected person, keep the flies away, and proper hygienic conditions can make you free from this Entamoeba histolytica. Next topic is the disease, fungal disease, ringworm. Okay, so here the ringworm is caused by the pathogen is microsporus, trichophyton or epidermophyton. These are the three species which cause the disease of ringworm. Okay, so ringworm disease is caused by these species. You have seen. Now pathogen enter into the body through direct contact. They directly enter into the body. Mode of transmission is direct contact or foment borne. The articles used by the diseased person. If you share shaking hands or come in contact with the body surfaces of diseased person, you may got this infection, or through soil. The fungus grow in the growing or between tooth. The area where which is generally hidden, and that is growing part or the part which are not exposed to air. Okay, dry air cannot allow them to grow. So they can grow only in humid and moist air. Moist and humid air are the favorable condition required for the growth of pathogen. So symptoms are, you will observe the symptoms like dry scaly lesions on the body part with intense itching. That is most important symptoms. है ना, the person feeling intense itching, है ना, आपको वहाँ खुजलाने का मन करेगा. Control ringworm, ring guards, Jalim lotions, skin means these are no vaccines available. So these are the treatments of antifungal drugs can be treated. Okay. So in this way you can write a short note. Such questions are asked as a short note, so you can easily write them. Okay. Thank you.